So basically, I've got since yesterday a lot of questions. Those asking me whether I'm a day trader. Yes, I'm a day trader, and also if I'm trading my personal money. Me right now, since 2000, I think basically I started trading. I'm a Ugandan forex trader who has been in the industry now going for the fourth year. So I've got some experience in the forex industry, but that's not the thing which has brought me here. So the question, which has literally been asked me by many other fellow traders, that is it I trade? Do I trade prop firms, and what's my insight on prop firms? Me basically, I became more profitable along my run once I started to trade prop firms. Why? Because now when I'm trading prop firms, even psychologically, all my emotions are off. Because now I'm trading big capital, and moreover, the money I'm trading is not mine. Even if I blow that money, even if I blow the prop firm money, the company will compensate its losses. So this is basically how we buy a consumate traders account. So I'll just come. I want to make I trade on MT5, then evaluation MetaTrader 5. Then I will buy a 50,000 challenge. Challenge target is 8%, minimum trading days 0, verification profit target is 5%, and minimum trading days is 0. So I just come basically here and start challenge, and the plan is 50,000. So they will charge me $299. So I'll just click buy and then see the magic coming. Challenge buy successfully, and just come here. Yes, redirect to challenge to what? So basically, I'm trading more of pop farm. But by the way, for me, when I started trading pop farms, and that's when I made it to the boom. Yes, I was trading also personal accounts, and I remember you could grow an account to like 5K, 6K, 10K, or 6K, and then literally you lose money psychologically. It touches me a lot. However much I was always focused more on psychology, on my trading psychology, because I basically tell traders that uh, technical analysis just makes 10%, and on my side fundamentals also make something like the 10%, and the rest is psychology, or I call it it's psychology, because when you look keenly, fundamental analysis is a bit broad. Fundamental analysis, uh, it's the thing which moves the market overall, leave along the technical side. Once you grasp the market economics, and once you grasp the find like the macroeconomics in markets, and the microeconomics in markets. And so basically, for me, I thought like now I had mastered technical analysis. I had mastered my strategy, trading technical analysis. Then I had to master, because there's a day when I blew up my level account. I think it was the FMOC news. The news were being released, and literally I blew everything. So that pushed me to now go back deep and master the fundamental side. I mastered fundamentals. I dug deep into the macroeconomics and the microeconomics in forex trading. So it helped me, or it pushed me hard. I mastered what's moving the news. I mastered all those fundamental factors, the indexes, the SPX, the everything. But again, however much I mastered, you can't be the king of the markets. Markets always go against us. Even me right now, they still go against me. So again, the thing of psychology again. So even if I had mastered all, again, psychologically, I was not stable, bro. Because now I remember I could grow accounts, grow with proper risk management, proper risk management. But now the thing was like, making a 10K account, and later like withdraw like 3K, then remain 7K, it was taking me time. It takes you time to grow personal accounts, and also like you are trading, remember, a little, even if you are trading 50K on my side, 50K, trading 50K on a live account, on a personal account. Yes, it's big money, but again, yes, you're making some good money if you're risking big. But if you're trading under professionalism, using proper risk management, you'll not be all making that big percentage, unless when you are risking in like a lot, or risking in like 30%, 20% per trade. That's when you'll be making money. So I switched to prop farms, and I built like 30 accounts, bro. I built like 30 accounts of prop farms, because I was not like I brought the psychology of trading real accounts into trading like prop farms. So basically it tortured me a lot, because now when I was trading prop farms, like I built in the psychology we used to execute on live accounts. But even then, when I was trading the prop firms, I was making some good money in my live account, But now I brought in the psychology. But remember when we were trading prop firms, bro, it's not all about guesswork. You now need to be a professional trader. I was thinking of scalping because now I was literally, I was not more focused on the daily drawdown and the overall drawdown. Because for me, I remember I used to like to risk on the 6%, 6% daily drawdown. I used to risk like 4% to make a big cloud, or to make something big. And bro, I blew things, bro. Because I had that mentality which I was using along a live account. Though I had mastered everything, but with live accounts, I was like a scalper. I was scalping in, with live money. Though like risking 3K to make something like 6K. Then coming to prop farms, it's another story. So when I came to prop farms, it was a completely different story. Yeah, it was a very very different story where I had to apply now proper risk management. So once I mastered that, then I started to make off money with prop farms. But again, these prop farms were like their rules were all complicated, until I ran into this new prop farm. I've made some good money the past prop farms, the past years when I'm trading prop farms, and the money I was making from prop farms is the same money I was using now to fund my big live accounts with Xness. Basically, by then I was also trading FBS, though I got some issues with it then and sticked on Xness, and I was withdrawing like I withdraw 20K or 10K or whatever the cost could be from a prop farm. Then I only take off 10% on that money made for my personal use. Then I take the other 10% to buy a bigger challenge or the biggest challenge. Then then the rest of the 80% basically, I would use that money to fund it on my on my live account. So the money again made on the live account, the 80%, I keep off 40% into my bank account. 40% goes into my investments, and then the 20% is what I spend on luxuries. It's what I spend on cars. It's what I spend on whatever the cost could be. That's how I was able to scale up big capital to make it in the forest industry. But basically, recently, I came into a prop firm. It's called Consumate Traders. Right now it's the prop firm which I use, Consumate Traders. Though I'm also trading the funded the funded trader, that prop firm. But basically now I'm more into trading Consumate Traders, and I'm scaling a lot of capital. I'm scaling a lot of money with those guys. It's the only prop firm I so Consumate Traders is the only firm I recommend to you right now here in Africa. Because I'm an African, I'm a Ugandan, so I first support the industry in my continent than jumping to other continents. So when Consumate Traders, by the way, when Consumate Traders was launched, I remember well that same evening I got a trial account. The following day, even I never waited to get reviews from other traders. The following day, I got about a challenge with them, and now since I had mastered trading these accounts of prop firms, then everything was good. I passed the challenges, and they paid me. And the thing which I like with these guys is like they are trading modules. They are cheaper than these other prop firms, Cause now the trading modules were cheap. The rules were bit. Even had no rules on my side. Cause no minimum trading days. They're giving you 60 days to pass phase 1, 60 days you pass in phase 2. They allow you to trade news. They're allowing us, they allow you to hold trades for weeks, bro. And even right now, this last week, I received an email from them. Now they've introduced a new module, basically where you literally, even if it takes you a year to trade, or to pass the challenge, it's upon you, So this is the best prop firm. It has low spreads. Even its commission is fair, though on my side the commission was a bit high, but it's now fair, Its commission is fair, so they pay in time, and to make it even more good, to make it more good, these guys once you deposit money, on the Consumate, on their page, on the Consumate, on your personal area. Money takes on when you're depositing money, it takes approximately maximum of just 5 minutes, and the money is. So to me, I think this is now the best prop firm. Even when you take, in fact, imagine taking a withdrawal today. Right now in Ugandan time, it's around midday. Yeah, it's around 12, 14. So if you process a withdrawal this time, by the time it clocks to 9 p.m., your funds like will be already in your crypto wallet. So this is the best platform for me. And now I'm on my road to scale up to a million, being funded with them with a million, because now they can allow you to scale up all after trading with them for more than 3 months. Now you combine all your capital and it's combined into one account. So basically, what I mean, you can combine if you have a 200 challenge, 100k, 50k, you can combine them and have a joint account of, let me say, 400k up to 600k. So just imagine making 10% of 600k a month. So on my side, consumer traders, I'll give it a credit. In fact, among platforms, me personally, I give it a 90% cloud, bro. These guys have made me really a lot of some good money. Yeah, I've made some good money with them, and I continue to be in partnership with consumer traders. This is the best platform. I was even, I think, among the first in East Africa, among the first literally 50 people to sign up. Because once it was launched, I immediately signed up. I got a trial account that day. The next day, I was funded. I bought a funded account, and I got a payment. These guys literally are the best in the industry, because it makes no sense. You're growing your personal money, bro. It takes time. It takes time, and psychologically, it's torturing, bro. That thing kept me back for a lot of time. That was making it on personal accounts, but it was giving me headache. But nowadays, even if I'm in a loss of like a negative, so these days, as even if I'm on I'm with a loss of 8k, I don't care, cause now the money I'm trading is not mine. It's proper money. Imagine now you are buying an account of, like, let me say you are risking, you are buying with them an account of like $560. They're giving you a 100k account with a total drawdown of 12%. That's basically like 22k, and they allow you to blow up to 10k a day. So imagine when you have now got funded, life funded, just make 20% on that 100k or on that 20k. This, that's, you'll be making some more money. Don't me, I'm trading some big accounts with them. So you just imagine making just 20% when you are a platform trader. You'll be making even more than that's. I think you'll be making more than 20k. That's 70M in my country. So this is Uganda, bro. Making 70M here, that's big money, bro. That's something good. You can take off 35 million, put it in. So make 20k on the prop farm, get off 10k, put it in your personal account, get 10k, get the remaining 10k, take off like 8k, put it in your investments or whatever, all savings. Then the 2k, use that 2,000, buy another big account with them of 400k. Then once you want 400k, just again target 20%. May I target 20% because it's easier to make 20%. If you make 20% of 400k, that's 80,000. That's how I was able to scale up money. So imagine making $80,000 a month, bro. A month. That's a lot of money. So prop firms are the way right now in the industry. Brokers are literally getting down. Now prop firms are ruling this in the industry. And with consumer traders, I'm 100% sure consumer traders is going to be one of the best prop firms in Africa before this year ends. In fact, in the whole world, it's now the best. It's among the. So on my side as a trader, I think consumer traders, by the end of next year, it's going to be the best prop firm literally in the world. This is the best thing. These guys are really, I love them. Maybe by heart. I've been with them now for probably some months, but I'm in love with them. And now, since brokers, by the way, prop firms now in the industry are of more clout than brokers. Why? Because now people no longer trade, like Leslie trade live account, because it's emotionally attached to them than trading prop firms. When you're trading a prop firm, emotionally you are attached or unattached to that money. You don't care about that money. That's why you'll be able to scale up and make something good. But for me, the only prop firm I'm recommending you per now is consumer traders. I can't recommend to you something or some firm which will literally destroy your money. I'm recommending you to consumer traders. I have accounts so I'm having an account with them. Accounts with them, not one, not two, not three. I have accounts with them, so I've got payouts with them. I've made some good money with them. So we recommend you consumer traders. Try that farm. It's the best. I recommend you. It's the best, and it's in fact it's an African farm. So why don't we support our own continent? So it's the best, best in spreads, best in commissions, best in payouts. Everything on it, it's just cool. The rules are literally insane, bro. It has on my side even it has no rules, bro. No rules now. It has no rules, bro. That's all. That's all. But